Hi, do you suffer with anxiety and panic and don't want to talk to anyone? Well, I've got some techniques that I want to talk to you about today, which will help you. My name's Dr Siyana. I'm a GP, a family doctor, that is, for those of you who are not in the UK, and I have an interest in mental health and well-being. So I want to talk to you today about some techniques called grounding techniques. These are brilliant if you suffer with anxiety or stress or burnout, and they can be used anywhere, anytime. And they don't involve having to open your heart out and bring emotions up to the surface, which could leave you feeling quite exposed. So one of the easiest things to focus on when you're in stress or anxiety, and particularly feeling very, very panicky, is to focus on your breathing. That's one thing that can very easily be gotten control of by yourself. So one of the techniques that I particularly like is called the 2-4-6 breathing technique. What the principle here is that you take a breath in very, very quickly, hold it for 4 counts, so slightly longer, and then breathe out and try to make the out breath as long as possible. So this will be the longest of the 3 steps. Focusing on the exhalation being prolonged slows your heart rate down, slows those nervous racing thoughts down, and if you do that a few times, it can really help regain control of a panicky situation. There's other type of technique that we can use to help with stress, anxiety, a type of grounding technique that's very, very easy to do and involves invoking your 5 senses, is called the 5-4-3-2-1 technique. In this, you choose, first of all, 5 things to focus that you can look at. So using your vision. Look around you, wherever you are, it may be a room, just focus on each item and focus on what you like about what you're looking at. Try to remind yourself that. Here it's really helpful, therefore, to surround yourself with favourite photographs, favourite pictures, good pieces of artwork. It might be beautiful things when you're outdoors. It could be a pet or even your child. 4 things. The next thing is that you want to find 4 things that you can mindfully focus on that you can hear. So you want to listen for 4 types of sounds. Outdoors, this could be easy. It could be things like birdsong. It could be the waves of the sea, or even just the wind. A wind in your hair when you're riding in the car. Listen for sounds that are comforting, soothing, and help your mind to readjust itself. The third thing is looking for things that you can touch. So here you're invoking the sense of touch and sensations that you might feel. So soft fabrics, cushions around you, running your finger through your hair if your hair feels good that day, touching the softness of the petal of a flower, or your pet. Then find 2 things, 5-4-3-2, 2 things that you can smell. It could be a scented candle, a scented flower, a rose, that's my favourite, and lavender in particular. You could also have some essential oil in your handbag or your pocket. And lastly, find 1 thing that you can taste. Now, if you can't actually taste anything, if you don't have anything to taste with you, think of the tastes that you do like, such as your favourite sweet or tastes of cookies or something else that you might like. That's the 5-4-3-2-1 technique. Try it when you're feeling panicky and stressed.